I always encourage you to stick to the properties of indices because they are applied in a lot of concepts when it comes to mathematics. So we've got this question. We need to simplify 216y power 216 power 2 over 3. So for this question to be simplified, we first need to understand or apply the property which says that when you've got a power b, okay, and then there is a c here, this will simply be equal to a power b c, because power to power we multiply, okay? So where are we going to apply this property? Right here. But before we apply it, let's also understand another property. When you've got a multiplication of a, b, okay, and there's a power c here, this will simply be equal to a power c, b power c. So this power will be distributed or applied to this base and this base, and this is how it's going to look like. And if we check nicely inside here, there are two things which are happening. There is a multiplication of this 216 and a y to the power 216. So we shall say 216 power 2 over 3. So this power has been applied to this 216. And then here we shall put a dot to represent times. Y, this is a y. And then power to power, we multiply like it is here. This power and this are multiplied. So this will give us a 216 times a 2 over a 3. Okay? So once we do that, of course, here we can say 216, okay, power 2 over a 3 times y power 72 times a 2. So this 3 into 3, it's a 1 into 216 to give us a 72. So 72 times a 2. So from this point, of course, understand another property which says that when you've got a fraction power, so a fraction power like it is a power c over b, this simply means the b root of a, and then bring this power right up here. You can see? So this is what we call power rule under indices. Is what I want to apply right over here. So it will be the cube root of 216 and power 2 will come right up here. Y, when you multiply these two, we're getting a 144. So we're still simplifying. What is a cube root of 16? A number such that when it multiplies by itself 3 times, it gives us a 216. And that will be a 6 power 2. Let's not forget a power 2 there. Y 144 here. And then here it will give us a 36 y power 144. So this is how you get to simplify this one. Thank you so much. Please remember to leave a comment, share the video, and also subscribe. This has been Isichambe Jacob, and bye-bye.